That's good, Jeremy. Thank you very much. New tonight, the Washington State Nurses Association is taking action after they say more than a dozen nurses were fired from a local hospital. The firings come following the tragic suicide of a 12-year-old psychiatric patient at Sacred Heart back in April. KREM 2's Regan Gallo found out the nurses union is now filing grievances. She is live tonight with more on this new development. Regan?
Well, Mark, the Washington State Nurses Association told me 15 nurses were fired following the death by a suicide of a 12-year-old patient who was under psychiatric care at Providence Sacred Heart Medical Center.
A spokesperson from Washington State Nurses Association says they are filing grievances on behalf of those nurses. In a statement sent to me, WSNA added they reject claims from the hospital that nurses violated privacy protocol. They say nurses were doing their job to assist the 12-year-old girl. They added often nurses outside of the emergency department are called in to assist with care and provide information related to a patient's treatment. I also reached out to Providence Sacred Heart Medical Center about this. They responded with a statement that says their code of conduct was violated, including patient privacy. The statement reads, "Providence takes violations of our code of conduct and federal privacy laws that govern private health information very seriously. We review employee conduct and take appropriate action, including termination of employment where warranted. Patient privacy is one of our top priorities." I followed up with the hospital to confirm the number of nurses that were terminated, but they said they cannot confirm numbers, saying it's a human resources matter. On social media, there has been speculation the nurses were fired in retaliation for speaking to the media after initial news came out when the 12-year-old girl died.
Nurses have been telling the hospital they couldn't take care of psychiatric patients in that unit. It was not safe.
I asked Providence about this, and they said the termination was only because of patient privacy violations.
The hospital noted that they will fully participate in the grievance process, and WSNA says the grievance process could take up to 2 years. This is a developing story. I'm reporting in the newsroom. Regan Gallo, KREM 2 News.